Relatively prime numbers. Relatively prime numbers have only one as their common factor, or if you like, as their common divisor. That is, only one can divide all the numbers evenly. We can also say that the GCD of the given number equals 1. That's another way of saying that they're relatively prime. So suppose we have these numbers and we would like to know if these are relatively prime. So what you do is you find the prime factorization for each of the numbers. Notice this is already a prime number, so we circled it already. So you find the prime factorization for each of the numbers, and then go and search to see if there is a prime. For example, 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. The ones that are circle are primes. See if you could find a number that appears in all 4 groups. If it appears in all 4 groups, we say it's common. That means it's in all the groups. But if you notice, there's not one prime number that appears in each of the groups of prime numbers, of prime factorization. Since the only number that can divide these numbers is 1, we say that these numbers are relatively prime. And a short way of saying it is the greatest common divisor, that means the biggest number that can divide them all, is 1. So the numbers you're considering are relatively prime.